So hey everybody, this is Vihang. Welcome to Tech Vihang. So in today's video, I'll be going to introduce you with basics of HTML. So let's get started with the introduction. I'll introduce it within some points. So HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. You all must know this. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by various tags. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but when render use them to display the content. So now we'll move on to the basics. So you'll see this, friends. I've typed the tags earlier because I don't want to make this video lengthy, but I'll explain you each single code. Okay, so first is the doctype code. So this doctype is HTML, so you will type doctype HTML. This is basically used for declaration of document. Which type of document? Okay. Now we'll come on to the second HTML code. So the HTML element is used the root element of an HTML page. So it is used as a element of an HTML page. Now the head tag. So you now also see this. You have to close this HTML tag in the end when you have completed with all the tags. You'll see this. This you'll see. You will see both tags. Okay. Now we'll move on to the head tag. So the head or the heading tag is used for putting headings. So you want to open this, then you have to enter the title tag, and then you have to close this. So the title tag. So the title tag is used for giving a title to your web page. It will not be shown on the web page, but you have to enter this as of a title. Then you have to close this the head. Then body is used in HTML for entering all your tags. So body tag, and you have to close this body tag after you have completed with all of your tags. Before the HTML tag, you have to close this. You can see. Now we'll move on to the H1 or the header tag. So the H1 defines a large heading. So this header tag defines a large tagging, and this header tag is used in various number like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. You're gonna use H1 for large heading and you're gonna use H6 for small heading, or H2, H3 or H4. In the end, when I'll run the program, I'll show you the working of this H1 program also. Now the P or the paragraph tag. The P element is used to define a paragraph. So it is basically used to define a paragraph. Now we'll move on to the website link. So the website link tag is really important. You should know about this tag. This is really important. This tag is basically used for giving a link on your website of other website. Okay, so you have to use the A tag. You have to type the A tag. So the A tag is known as the link tag. So A, then you have to put href. Href you almost know that you have to put while giving your link. Href, https. Then this is while link you can give any link. Okay, then when you run this program, they will be written this is important. When you click on this is important, you will be on that website. If I'll type here like this is a link to website, so it will show me this is a link to website. Okay, then you have to close this A tag. Yeah, now you have to come on the image tag. So the image or the img tag is used for images. So HTML images are defined with the image tag. So this image tag is used to display any image on your web page. Yeah. Then image, then you have to write src. Src stands for source. Then c type, so my c type, so I'm typing your c type. Then username. Then my image was saved in the desktop, so you have to type desktop. If your image is saved in the, you can say, C file or D file, you can type D file or C file. Then the folder name, so my folder name was new. Now the name of the image, the name of the image is Stephen Hawking. Then your image is in JPG or PNG. You have to see this. This is really important. If your image is in JPG, you have to type JPG. If you type PNG or and your image is in JPG, then it will not run. You have to see this if your image is in JPG or PNG. Okay. Now we'll move on to the UL or the bullet tag. So the bullet tag is used for adding bullets to your text or your words. So the UL tag, first you'll open this UL tag, then the lead tags, how much you want to add bullets, then the UL tag. Now this is really what thing I'll tell you by typing, because this is something other. Like when you add this, you have to write the lead tag. The lead tag is really used for the bullets and numbers. You can see the OL tag. In the OL tag is used for numbers, and here also you have used the lead tag. So the lead tag is important in both. So I'll show you by typing here Lee. Now I want here hello world, hello to the world of HTML. Okay, now you'll go close this Lee tag, close. Now you see this is like a sentence type, and this is only words. So now old tag I have told you earlier that it is used for numbers. Now the button tag. So the button tag is used for, like, I'll explain you with an example. When you go on a site like IRCTC, you will not take an example of IRCTC. Then when you have to enter your name, address, or anything, so it it is highlighted that enter your name, and it is highlighted. You have to click on this and enter your name. So for that thing, button tag is used. So I've written here enter name. So I'll write here enter your name. Okay, now you'll close the body tag that I have told you, and you have to close the HTML tag that I have told you. Now we'll run this program. So for running, you have to save this first of all, then you have to run F5. You want to see. So first you'll type your name, file name, not your name, file name, open. Right. You want to see this. First I'll show you like this, then I'll open the full website. This is only half website. First I'll show you this with the help of codes, then I'll open it for you. You will see Doctype HTML. Now you will see this. You will see this. The codes are not here like you have seen the first heading. This is the header tag. There is no, the header tag is not displayed here. So this was really good. Okay, now the first heading. Then you will see this, the P tag or the paragraph tag. You will see this. Now I'll change something. So I'll add a sentence. Welcome to the world of HTML. It is of HTML. It is fun to learn this. So I've entered a sentence here. You gonna see this? Now I'll run this. You gonna see this? Okay, wait a minute. I haven't saved this. First of all, Control plus S to close. First of all tabs. Control plus S. Now F5 and then run. You're gonna see this. Welcome to the world of HTML. It is fun to learn. So this is a spelling error. THIS. I have written TIS. Well, so it's not basically. It's not my thing. And now you can see this the link. This is a link to website. I've written here. This is a link to website. So it is showing this is a link to website. If I'll click on this, it will take me to the website. Then you see this. This is the image of Stephen Hawking. I'll make it big for you when the codes are entered. So you can see this. Then you're gonna see this. The UL tag. Hello to the world of HTML. Tea milk. Then the OL tag. Coffee tea milk, then the button tag. You can enter your name, but I am not entering. First of all, you have to give command to this that you can enter your name, and that command I'll show you in the following next videos because it is really big. HTML world is really big. I can't cover it in one video, so we'll cover it in the next series of HTML. Okay, so this enter your name. First of all, take the verify the support tag. So the support tag I'll tell you in the next or the following series. You see. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and wait for the next HTML tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you guys.